Hello, this is video about build a ARPG game in 1 week, and this is third video of that. And the last one I have built the enemy will follow the player, and in this video I'm going to add animation to this player and enemy, because if not it will be super boring. Okay, here we go. In the player, what we need to do is, for the sprite, in this flip edge, when I click this it will flip and then flip and then flip and then flip, so it's kind of like moving. So what I need to do is, in its script, I want it to face the direction when it was moving. If it was facing right, it need to, if it was moving right, it need to face right. If it was moving left, it need to face left. Okay, so what I will do here is I will do a little thing. What it called is x if move.x larger than 0. If the x coordination it is moving right, make the h sprite flip h. So here we have one thing I need to do, that is make the reference to the sprite 2D here. That is already var sprite because $sign sprite 2D. Okay, now if x coordinate value is larger than 0, the sprite will be flip h equals true. Else if move.x is lesser than 0, sprite will be flip h equals false. Good. What it will do is, we will see in action here what it will do. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, sorry, I will add another animation, that is what I say is frame. I see in D and 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, that is what I want to do. Okay, here is what I will do is, I will add a timer. I will set it to 0.2 seconds. And I will renew the name to walk timer. And I will also fetch it here. Already, or walk timer equals, and I will also add it associate to a unique name, so we have this percentage sign. Get node it will called walk timer. Good. I got walk timer. What I will do here is if move doesn't equal vector to 0, so if it was moving, here it means is if it was not equals not move, so it means if it was moving, then if walk timer is stopped, if walk timer is stopped, so if it was counting 0.2 seconds and it was counting finished, I will look at the frame, sprite frame. If it was larger or equal to sprite h frames -1, what it means is when I was doing here, the h frame is starting from 1 and end with 2 or more, and the h frame, the frame is starting from 0, h frame is starting from 1. So for make it to correct, for this is 0, if h frame is 1, it's -1 equals 0, then it will be equal or larger to, okay? Then what it will do is sprite frame set it to 0. When walk timer is finished. If not so, if for say the h frame is larger than frame, then that is else sprite frame increase by 1. And then walk timer will start again. So each 0.2 seconds it will refresh it again and again. So we can see the player here. Oh, I forgot one thing. In the player, I want to set it to on shot. So when each times it will fire again. Do it again. Now it is correctly moving. Now I want to do the same to the enemy. The H frame is okay. So here we go. If direction x is larger than 0.1, also I need to get sprite here. So already variable sprite equals $sign sprite to d. If direction is x coordinate direction is larger than 0.1, then sprite flip h equals true. Else if direction x is lesser than minus 0.1, then sprite flip h goes false. Now that is what it will do is we will see here is when I was on right, it will facing right. When I was on left, it will facing left. On right, facing right. On left, facing left. On right, facing right. Good. Next step is make the enemy also move, right? So what I need to do is, oh, I didn't save it. Save scene. Here is scene. Save it. So our next step is make the animation for the enemy, right? So what I need to do is it's not like the player when it was controlled by moving, it will be animate. The enemy will be always animated. So I will add a animation player. Create a animation player, and in here I will add new animation. It will called walk. Okay. On here I will add the sprite h-frame, create a track, and it will be to 0.3 seconds. I will change to 1 and also add and go to 0.6 seconds to make it 0 again and add. Now I will play this. We will look at 2D. So I will make it animation looping. Good. Stop. So for 0, sprite, make it 3 seconds, frame 1, add. Six seconds. Okay. Then make it to 0.6 seconds. Make it loop. Go. Good. Now I have the animation. I just need to make reference for it. We'll call here already var anime cause animation player, and I will also write a good old function here. Already and anime play walk. Good. Now now this anime is moving. Good. For the next one, I want to make the area where the player and the enemy can attack. That is for now.